Welcome to our video today, where we're going to explore one of the most powerful features in Vuforia. External driver area target. If you're working on augmented reality projects, you know how important it is to have precise control over the tracking and detection of targets in your environment. That's exactly what we'll be diving into with external driver area targets. In this video, we'll cover what external driver area targets are, why they're useful, and a step-by-step explanation of how to implement them effectively. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a solid understanding of this feature and be able to apply it in your own project. So, let's start with the basics. External driver area targets are a type of target that allows you to extend Vuforia's tracking capabilities beyond what's natively supported. Essentially, these targets give you more flexibility when dealing with complex or dynamic environments where standard image or object recognition might not be sufficient. To understand how they work, imagine trying to track an area in a room that doesn't have any specific visual features but needs to be recognized by your Aura app. This is where external driver area targets come into play. They enable you to define and track areas based on external inputs rather than just visual data from the camera. The process of implementing external driver area targets involves several key steps. First, you need to identify and define the area in question. This could be a specific section of a room, part of an object, or even a dynamic zone that changes over time. Next, you would use Vuforia's API to create an external driver area target instance. Here, you'll provide the necessary details about the target area, such as its size, shape, and location in 3D space. An important point to consider is how you handle the tracking data. Since these targets are driven externally, you need to ensure that your AR app can receive and process this information correctly. This might involve setting up callbacks or event listeners within your application to react appropriately when the target area is detected or updated. One of the most powerful aspects of external driver area targets is their ability to adapt to changing conditions. For example, if you're building an AR experience that needs to adjust its content based on where a user is standing in a room, these targets can provide the necessary spatial awareness. To make this concept clearer, consider an analogy from everyday life. Think of external driver area targets as similar to how GPS navigation works in your car. Just as GPS uses external data, satellite signals, to guide you through unknown territories, external driver area targets leverage external inputs to navigate and understand complex environments more effectively. Let's quickly summarize the key points we've covered about Vuforia's external driver area target. 1. Definition. They're a type of target that extends Vuforia's tracking capabilities beyond standard image or object recognition. 2. Usefulness. These targets are particularly useful in complex or dynamic environments where traditional tracking methods might not be effective. 3. Implementation steps. Identify and define the area. Create an external driver area target instance using Vuforia's API and handle the tracking data within your AR app. 4. Adaptability. One of their strengths is the ability to adapt to changing conditions, making them ideal for applications that require spatial awareness. That concludes our discussion on Vuforia's external driver area target. We hope this video has provided you with a clear understanding of how these targets can enhance your AR projects by giving you more control and flexibility in tracking and detecting areas within complex environments. If you have any questions or topics related to our development that you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more content on augmented reality and Vuforia